fraction है, okay, because p by q, we have to write here form of p by q. Start exercise, then go to further. What is the difference? Now coming on first question, list 5 rational numbers between whatever given the parts. Question number 1. So a part, first part of pair given -1 and so many pairs given to us -1 to 0. So you have to write it 5 rational numbers. As you know that between two numbers is infinite rational numbers. Okay, infinite rational numbers होते हैं दो numbers के बीच में. Now first look at here given -1 and 0. So denominator you can write it 1 and here also 0 upon 1. Okay, now you have to write it 5 rational numbers. हमको कितने फाइंड करने हैं? 5. So 1 and 0 के बीच में है. How can find it? So first you convert, make the, आपको क्या करना होगा? Increase the denominator. Okay, converting equivalent fraction. So how can converting this number, this fraction multiply with 6 upon 6, because needed how many numbers, how many rational numbers? 5. So multiply with 6 upon 6. आप कोई और number से भी multiply 7, 8, 9, 10 whatever, because required number between 5 means suppose 15 and 25. You have to write 5 numbers. How can find it? Means इसके बीच का 5 number, आपको कोई भी 5 number लेनी है. Isn't it? Similarly like this. So you have to multiply. You will take any other number also, but needed 5 number. जिसमें should become 5 numbers. उसमें आने चाहिए 5 number बीच में आने चाहिए. So similarly multiply with 6 upon 6. So look at here, -1 and -6, you'll get -6 upon 6, and here 6, 0, multiply with 6, you'll get 0 upon 6. Okay, so 0 upon 6 and -6 upon 6. So you have to write it 5 rational numbers. So start from -5 upon 6, -4 upon 6, -3 upon 6, -2 upon 6, and -1 upon 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओके, सो हमको ऐसा डिनोमिनेटर सिलेक्ट करना है जिसमें कि लेना है कि हमें 5 रेशनल नंबर मिल जाए, isn't it? उसके बीच में, ये दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में. ओके, so this one is a 5 rational numbers. This is the A part. Now, so the first part. Now coming on second part. So second part, -2 and -1, -2 and -1. Similarly, make the same denominator. Okay, so -2 upon 1 multiply with, and here -1 upon 1 multiply with 6 upon 6, and here also 6 upon 6. Okay, because once you multiply with any number, you will get same number. So -2 multiply with 6, you will get -12 upon 6, and here -6 upon 6. Now find the 5 rational numbers. So -11 upon 6, -10 upon 6, -9 upon 6, -8 upon 6, -7 upon 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, -6 upon 6. Okay, so this is 5 rational number of second part. Now coming on C part. Third part, Third part. Minus 4 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. Okay, this number given in fraction, rational numbers. Okay, given in rational numbers, you can say that fraction may have means denominator given to us. So if you find the LCM, one thing you notice here, you'll get 15. 5 3s are 15. Now if you convert one thing, make the denominator 15. So you'll get 12 minus 12 upon 15. Here also multiply with 5 upon 5. You will get minus 10 upon 15. Okay. Now you have to find minus 12 upon 15 and minus 10 upon 15. You will get between these two fraction rational numbers, you will get only one numbers like a minus 11 upon 15. ओके कितना नंबर मिल रहा है हमें वनली 1 माइनस 11 अपॉन 15 बट नीडेड नंबर हमारा रिक्वायर्ड नंबर कितना है 5 रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन दीज टू नंबर्स ओके हमें 5 नंबर फाइंड करने हैं सो हमें व्हाट विल डू इंक्रीज द डिनोमिनेटर हाउ कैन definitely if you increase the denominator so definitely increase the numerator so what we'll do in this case LCM, you'll get 45. 15 3s are 45. Okay. LCM हम बढ़ाते हैं उसको. Now, so how can find it? Make the LCM 45 means denominator required 45. So multiply with 9 upon 9. 36 upon 45 and here also minus 2 upon 3 multiply with 15 upon 15 you will get minus 30 upon 45. So minus 36 upon 45 and minus 30 upon 45. So 36 and 30. You easily find 5 rational numbers. Okay. How? So 35, 36, after that 35 you can write it before minus 35 upon 45 minus 34 upon 45 minus 33 upon 45 minus 32 upon 45 1 2 3 4 minus 31 upon 45. Okay, so this is question number third part of question number 1. Now fourth part. Minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. Okay, so find the LCM first. LCM you will get 6, 3 into 6. Now minus 1 upon, make the denominator 6. So multiply with 3 upon 3 minus 3 upon 6. Same number multiply with this fraction 2 upon 3 multiply with 3 upon 3 you will get 6 upon 9. Now you can easily find it 5 rational numbers between minus 3 upon 6 and minus 6 upon 9. Sorry, look at here. This is wrong. 2 upon 2. Okay? 2 upon 2 you'll get 6. Isn't it? 2 2 is 4. Here multiply with 3 and here multiply with 2. Then you will get same denominator. Isn't it? Now you have to find it 5 rational number. So start from minus 3. Before minus 3 you will get minus 2, minus 1, minus 0. You also write it माइनस एंड 1, 0 के बाद क्या होता है, यू एज यू नो ना इंटीजर्स वेरी वेल, सो आफ्टर 1 बिफोर 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so this one 0 you can write it or leave it, आप इसको छोड़ भी सकते हैं because you get more rational numbers, आपके इसके बीच में बहुत सारे rational numbers है, this one is also correct, now you have to write the denominator 6 6 6 6, okay, but here required only 5 rational numbers, आप 0/6 के बदला 1/6 2/6 3/6 भी लिख सकते हो, isn't it? So this is your solution, इसको हटा करके आप 1 more increase कर सकते हो, isn't it? So this is your solution of question number 1. Now coming on question number 2. So question number 2 says write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. In second number question given the pattern form. Okay. So first you know think -3/5 minus 6/10 minus 9/15 minus 12/20. So 1 thing to notice here, 3 2 just 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 just 12. Means table of 3 and denominator 5 2 just 10, 5 3 just 15, 5 4 just 20. Okay, means equivalent of this. Now you have to write 4 more rational numbers. So if you multiply 3/5 multiply with 2/2, you will get -6/10, means this number. Similarly, multiply with 3/3, this number. Multiply with 3/3, you will get this rational numbers, means 339 minus 9/15. Similarly, multiply with 4, you will get 12 minus 12/20. So required rational numbers after 4 you multiply, means 5 multiply with 5/5, you will get 5 3s are 15/25. Okay, now same multiply with 6/6, 6 3s are 18 minus 18/6 5 are 13. Similarly, multiply with -3/5, 7/7, you'll get -21/35. Now multiply with -3/-5, multiply with 8/8, you'll get -24/40. So this is all 4 rational numbers. 1 2 3 4. -15/25, -18/30, -21/35, -24/40. This is the A part of question number 2. First part. Now coming on second part. Similarly, you can solve it. -1/4, -2/8, -3/12. So one thing, -1/4, if you multiply by 2/2, okay, so you will get -2/8. Similarly, multiply with 3, then 3/3, you will get -3/12. So now required rational numbers, multiply 1/4, multiply with 3, already given here. So now start from 4. 4/4, so you get -4/16. Okay. Now -1/4 multiply with 5/5, you will get -5/20. minus 1 upon 4 multiplied with 6 upon 6, you'll get minus 6 upon 24. Minus 1 upon 4 multiplied with 7 upon 7 is equal to minus 7 upon 28. So 4 upon 16, sorry, minus 4 upon 16, minus 5 upon 20, minus 6 upon 24, minus 7 upon 28. This is 4. These are 4 rational numbers of this pattern. Continue this pattern. Now, next part of question number 2. So next part, third part of same question, third part. 1 upon 6, sorry, minus 1 upon 6, 2 upon 12, 3 upon minus 18, 4 upon minus 24. So one thing you noticed here, we are given minus 1 upon 6 and here next pattern you got it minus 2 upon minus 12. Means ये जो minus है coming on denominator, coming with denominator. Minus किसके साथ आ गया है? Comes in with denominator. So what will do? Minus 1 upon 6 multiply with minus 2 upon 2. Sorry, minus 2 upon minus 2. You'll get 2 upon minus 12. Okay? Similarly, multiply with minus 1 upon 6 multiply with minus 3 upon minus 3. You'll get 3 minus minus plus and here minus and plus. यहाँ क्या है? Plus and here minus. So both you multiply 6 3s are 18 and sign will be minus. So 3 upon minus 18. So now similarly multiply with minus 4 upon minus 4. You'll get 4 upon minus 24. Next multiply with next pattern required rational numbers minus 1 upon 6 multiply with 5 upon minus 5 upon minus 5. You'll get 5 upon 6 5s are 30. Okay, this way. Now minus 1 upon 6 multiply with minus 6 upon minus 6. You get 6 upon minus 36. Minus 1 upon 6 multiply with minus 7 upon minus 7. You will be get 7 upon minus 42. Minus 1 upon 6 multiply with minus 8 upon minus 8. You will get 8 upon minus 48. Okay. This is your pattern of third part. 5 upon minus 30, 6 upon minus 36, 7 upon minus 42, 8 upon minus 48. Now coming on last part of question number 2. So last part given 4 part minus 2 upon 3, 2 upon minus 3, 4 upon minus 6 and 6 upon minus 9. So one thing, first multiply with 1, okay? So you will get 2 upon 3. Similarly multiply with 2 upon 2, you will get 4 upon 6, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So next, first you look at here, minus 2 upon 3 multiply with minus 1 upon minus 1, you will get 2 upon minus 3 means next pattern. Okay, after that multiply with minus 2 upon 2, multiply with minus 3 upon 3. Next pattern you will get minus 2 upon 3, multiply with minus 4 upon minus 4, you will get 8 upon minus 12. Okay, next pattern multiply with minus 5 upon minus 5, you will get 10 upon minus 15. Next, minus 2 multiply with minus 2 upon 3 multiply with minus 6 upon minus 6, you will get 12 upon minus 18. Okay. One more rational number is required. 8 upon 12, 10 upon minus 15, and 12 upon minus 18. One more, minus 3 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, multiply with minus 7 upon minus 7. You'll get 14 upon minus 21. So these are four rational numbers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now coming on question number 3. So question number 3 says, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to a part, first part, okay, minus 2 upon 7. So equivalent means इसके equal आपको 4 rational numbers बताने हैं, means write करने हैं. So as you know that equivalent fraction, similarly equivalent rational numbers multiply with 2 upon 2, you will get minus 4 upon 14. Similarly multiply with minus 2 upon 7, multiply with 3 upon 3, you will get 3 2 ja 6, 7 3 ja 21. Now multiply with 4 upon 4, you will get minus 8 upon 28. Now multiply with 5 upon 5, you will get minus 10 upon 35. Okay, and if you reduce it, अगर आप इसको reduce करते हो, you will get same original fraction, means this one, means this is a equivalent fraction. Look at here, I am reducing here. 2 5s are 10 and 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Okay, so you get minus 2 upon 7. This fraction again is this is an equivalent fraction of minus 2 upon 7, isn't it? So answer will be correct. Equivalent means इसको reduce करने के बाद आपको ये original जो prime numbers है must come this one. So minus 10 upon 35. जब भी आप reduce करो तो ये number आने चाहिए. Otherwise your solution is wrong. So these are 4 equivalent fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Similarly, second part I am solving only one. Second part, remaining parts you will do it. 5 upon 9. 5 upon minus 3. 5 upon minus 3. Multiply with 2 upon 2, you will get 10 upon minus 6. 5 upon minus 3 multiply with 3 upon 3, you will get 15 upon minus 9. Similarly multiply with 4 upon 4, you will get 20 upon minus 12. Again multiply with 5 upon 5, you'll get 5 5 is 25. If you this fraction multiply with 5 upon 5, you'll get 25 upon minus 15. Okay, so these are 4 equivalent rational numbers. One more part, you will do it. 4 upon 9 given, you will do own. Now coming on, 4 number question says, draw the number line and represent the following rational number on 8. So in this question, first you draw the number line, after that those rational number given in question, this one represent on this number line, उसको आपको mark करना है कि where come this number on this number line. So A part 3 upon 4. So 3 upon, in this question, one thing, as you know that this is proper fraction and improper. Proper fraction means numerator less than denominator. Improper, numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator जो है improper में बड़ा होता है और denominator छोटा होता है, और proper में numerator less होता है denominator से. So means this number comes in between 0 to 0 and 1 के बीच में आएगा. ओके, ये जो जब भी प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है मींस न्यूमरेटर लेस, so means this number comes in 0 and 1. Suppose here given in negative numbers means come in 0 and -1. जब भी आपका नेगेटिव होगा means coming between 0 and -1 in proper fraction में होता है. Okay, so here this number coming between 0 and 1. So first you draw the number line. 0 here and here 1. 1 means denominator, you can write it 4 upon 4. Okay, 4 upon 4. If you reduce it, you will get 1. 4 upon 4 this point. After that 3 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 1 upon 4. So here you will get 3 upon 4, here 2 upon 4, here 1 upon 4. And this one if you reduce, you will get 2 to the 4. So ये कितना आ जाएगा 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2. You will write it. But इसमें आप ऐसे ही represent करोगे, isn't it? Because 2 upon 4. Now given to us 3 upon 4. So this place representing on this point represents 3 upon 4. Now coming on second part. So second, -5 upon 8. So -5, look at here, 5 and 8. Only focus on this number, these two numbers, 5 and 8. So 5 is less than 8, means proper fraction. Again, but given in negative. Negative means this number lie between 0, -0 and 0 to -1. किसके बीच में लाई होगा? 0 and -1. So look at here, start from, suppose you will take this point 0 and here 1. So now -1. Okay, -1 is equal to here